Hey, this is Jackie Worley's science class. I just want to show you a few things about how the students can navigate their Canvas account. Everything is going to be in Canvas that is a digital assignment. I also give paper assignments. Sometimes that is a notebook um, contact day start, and then they would need to complete it. Um, at home, and sometimes it's worksheets. Most of the kids ask for some kind of paper, and I'm trying to give them what they ask for. Um, but still, they would do digital assignments this week, week 5, September 14th through the 18th. They have 2 digital assignments. Now, this is a little different than what they've been doing. This one is a direct link, and I just want to show you what that looks like. Okay, so when they go to Ed Puzzle, there's going to be, it went really quickly through mine, but there's going to be sort of a picture in the middle that looks like a puzzle piece, but it'll show up right around in this area. If it says that, oops, it's not loading or something, they can come up to the top and reload or refresh. And refresh it until it comes up. It might take 2 or 3 times, but it will come up. And then they complete their questions. Okay, they do their Ed Puzzle, complete the questions, and it automatically goes to their Canvas account, whatever that grade is. Okay, so that would be Ed Puzzle. Then for CK12, again, they just tap on the assignment. Now, this will come up in the middle, CK12. Okay, they'll hit it. And now, what comes up first for them does not look like this. What comes up first for them looks like this. Okay, so they'll go in, they'll read their CK12 article, watch any videos that are in the article, and then be aware of the summary and make sure they understand the summary and the review questions. And then they come down here to view practice. Okay, they'll hit that view practice. There will be questions on view practice. When they finish with the practice questions, they need to go back in, and there's going to be a button right about around here, and it says turn in. If they do not hit that turn in button, it does not give them it doesn't turn it into the Canvas account program. So they should make sure that they do that after they finish the practice. Okay. If you have any questions, just let me know, email me, and I'll respond as quickly as possible. Also, I'm sorry, before I forget, you can also look in Canvas under grades. My grades sync every night. So if you look during the day and the kid says, well, I turned this in today, maybe you look on grades. It's possible that they did. But in Canvas, that'll automatically show up. In PowerSchool, it won't show up until the next day. So in Canvas, it'll show up immediately. On PowerSchool, it syncs every night. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know.